Hello guys, welcome back in Maths and Grammar. In last part, it is there verb and its kind in Hindi also and in English also. Because my some students say that please can you fully explain this in English? And then I say them, yeah, of course, why not? Then so I'm making same video in Hindi and in English also. So if you want to learn in English, then you can learn in English. If you want to learn in Hindi, then you can learn in Hindi. So there is a fifth part of speech. That what is adverb? What is the work of adverb? What the reason adverb join in part of speech? There is a good reason and it's good definitions of a part adverb. That why do we use adverb? Adverb. The word which qualify has modified a verb and an adjective or another adverb is called adverb. I want to say that if any one single word is giving a many more importance in a sentence, it means that is a adverb. That is a adverb. For example, I'm taking so, here, there, it, etc. In sentence, I'm taking the weather is too hot. It means the weather is hot. Where I'm using to. To is an important word of adverb. So this is a word which including in adverb. Second, I'm saying you drive carefully. A driver always drive his vehicle carefully. But I'm saying in sentence that you drive carefully. Then what the carefully? Carefully is also a word, is known as adverb. Third thing I write there, he writes clearly. It means a student, yeah, a person who is doing a work of writing. He is writing his paragraph, yeah, whatever his job is writing clearly. But in this sentence, I'm saying him that you writes clearly. I'm giving him a main importance that you write clearly. It means what the clearly is a verb. Adverb. There are 9 kind of adverb. First is adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of degree or quantity, adverb of manner, adverb of affirmation and negation, adverb of reason, adverb of interrogative adverb and relative adverb. Now we will study explain about the first part, adverb of time. Now we will study adverb of time. Adverb of time. What is adverb of time? What is the work of adverb of time? Actually, in definition of adverb, I told you that all the work which happen and in one sentence, one word is giving a more importance is called adverb. Like same that if adverb of time, it shows the time of an action. Their answered question why. It means if we are doing any work, yeah, we are doing work on any project, then if anyone can ask us that from when you are doing this project, then what we will say? Yeah, from yesterday, yeah, from tomorrow we will start. Yeah, before 10 days we are doing this work. Yeah, this work is under process. Yeah, so like this, I take an example. I go daily late, just etc. I have taken an example in sentence also. He teaches us maths always. It means our teacher teaching us maths always. It means the always word which I am using here. Always word is what? Always word is our adverb of time. Adverb of time. Second thing, I take second example also. Just I come home. If I say that just I come home, why should I go back? It means just I come home, why should I go back? Then what? The just word which I use there, this is adverb of time. Third example also I take that I went Delhi yesterday. Listen, if our one friend say that please come with me Delhi, then what can we say him? That if we went yesterday Delhi, then I can say him that yeah, yesterday I went Delhi, so I will not go today. Okay, yeah, I can say him, yeah, I will ask with my parents, then tomorrow I can go Delhi with you. Then what the word? Yesterday, tomorrow, and after tomorrow. What if we are using? Then it is also a adverb of time. Second thing we will study adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. Like this same, we will study now adverb of frequency. What is adverb of frequency? What is the work of adverb of frequency? I want to say that if we are talking about adverb of frequency, then he said that the which work, if we are doing a work on any project, then that project had happened how many time? Yeah, it will we how many time we have to do that work? Yeah, how much before how much time we are doing that same work continue? So there is same thing. It shows how often. It shows how often, how many time, and how frequently an action taken place. They answer the question how often or how many time. It means he want to say that if we are doing any work, yeah, we are working on any project, then how many time the same project we have done. Yeah, how many now again how much time we have to work on same project. Yeah, from when we are doing the work on same project. So then the same word which we are using on the place of frequency, that is this, we are taking we have taken this in example, once again, always, daily, it extra. It means I'm taking two sentences also in example. Please come again. Listen, if anyone go with our home, then what we say them? Please come again. We feel good to meet you. Then what the again word is adverb of frequency. Same, I'm taking second word. I went to school regularly. It means I'm going to school. What did I say? I went to school regularly. Is regularly word is what? Regularly word is adverb of frequency. Now again I'm telling you that if it shows how often, how many time, and how frequently can action taken place, they answer the question of how often, how many time. If any person is doing any work, then how many time he had done that same work. Yeah, how many time he have to do now again this same work. Yeah, how before how many time he is doing the same work. It means what? If we are talking about any of the work which are doing repetition, yeah, which we are doing always, yeah, once in a day, again and again, yeah, always, whatever, then it is what? It is adverb of frequency, which is in our daily routine. And so we will study about third part, adverb of place. That what is adverb of place? What is the work of adverb of place? Adverb of place. Adverb of place. It means what is the work of adverb of place? What the work is doing adverb of place? He want to say that it indicate that if any work is happening, then where is it happening? Yeah, we are making a plan to go on picnic. Then where we have to go on picnic? This word where we use the perfect, search any place, then it shows adverb of place. I'm taking a definition. It indicate where or at what place and action is performed is called It means we want to say that if any work is happening, then where that work is happening, yeah, where that work will happen, yeah, where the continued work is happening, yeah, with where that work had happened. It means you want to say that if we are doing any, I'm taking an example on me that I want to I'm making a program to go Goa. Then in Goa, where I will stand, in which hotel I will stand, then or that place, or the whole place in Goa where I will go, yeah, where I will stand, that place is what? That place is adverb of place. Because I'm taking an example, up, down, near, etc. It means please come, up, down, near, etc. Please come here. Please come here. I'm calling someone to meet me. Then what? Here word where I use. This is what? This is adverb of place. Adverb of place. If I say school is far from village, there is a school in village, but it is far from my home, yeah, from my village. Then what? It is far. Far is what? Adverb of place. Third thing I'm saying, Ram is inside the room. If I'm talking about Ram, then Ram is where? Ram is inside the room. Then work of inside. Inside is what? Adverb of place. The same word we are going to study about the fourth part, adverb of degree and quantity. I'm telling you these things again. It indicate where or at what place an action is performed is called adverb of place. It means if any work is if we are performing any work on any place, then what is the name of that place? Yeah, where is that place where we are performing some occasion? Then what is this? This is it indicates the place of name of the place, that where we are doing any word, where we had done any word, where we have to done any work. The place which they indicate is called adverb of place. Third, adverb of degree or quantity. Now we will study about adverb of degree or quantity. That was the work of adverb of degree or adverb of quantity. It means it indicates the degree of an action or an adjective or an adverb. They answer a question how much. They answer a question how much. It means he want to indicate that if anything is hot, then how much degree temperature is it hot? Yeah, if he is talking about cold, then how much temperature is it cold? Yeah, if we are using anything, then how much it is important. Yeah, it is better use for us. Then we are using there how much. I've taken an example. Example, too, very much, most, etc. It means the tea is too hot. It means there we are talking about temperature. But how temperature? Its temperature is high. High means what? Too. It means it is adverb of degree or quantity. Second, I'm talking about the cow is most useful. It means the cow is useful, but how much it is most useful? It means what? It is most. Most is what? Most is adverb of degree or quantity. Third, I'm using the school is far from village. The school is far from village. Now, there is a school, but it is far from village. Then far is what? Far is adverb of degree or quantity, because we measure it in meter or kilometer. This in 0 degrees Celsius, and this is a quantity measure. That how much 50%, 80%, 90%, how much important is this? So we use there. Next part we will study about the adverb of manner. We are studying about adverb of manner. And what is the work of adverb of manner? Now, where we are using the adverb of manner. It is what? It indicates how or in what manner an action is done. If we suppose if we got any project to work on that project, that how we are working on that project, fastly, fast, yeah, slowly, yeah, in a very bad condition is that project, yeah, whatever. So there we are using clearly. In example, clearly, slowly, loudly, it extra. It means what? She writes clearly. It means a girl who is working on, who is writing anything, that how clearly. Then clearly is what? Clearly is adverb of manner. Second thing, he run very fast. If I am saying that a boy who run very fast, it means what? Fast is what? Fast is adverb of manner, because he is doing work of run. But in running, his how he is running? Slowly, yeah, fastly. Then where this is what? Fast. Then fast is what? Adverb of manner. Third thing, I am using the worker are working slowly. It means if some labor are there and they are working slowly, they are working their job slowly, then we can use their they are working slowly. If on the place they are working fastly, then we can use their fastly or fast. Then that is what? It is also an adverb of manner. Same thing, we will study sixth part, adverb of affirmation and negation. Now we are studying about adverb of affirmation and negation. It means what? If we study affirmation and negation, it means if honor, there is a 50% chances of answer yes or no. If we ask a question, yeah, we take a permission of boss that may I come in, may I come in. Then if he is busy, then he will say no. If he is not busy, then he will say yes. Then there is what? There is a respectability that that he will answer us 50% chances, because I'm taking a real example. Like in school, we use may I come in, ma'am? Yes, sir. Then there we have a 50% chance that teacher will say no, yeah, teacher will say yes, because there is 50% chances. So in this, these are same thing. It indicate as and dial respectability. It means if the honor will be there is a both answer yes or no. Because of all, I have told you that there is a 50% chances and of yes, or there are 50% chances of no. Like I asked, I'm taking example, yes, surely, no, not, never, it, extra. Let's I take an example, yes, come in. If I say a teacher, may I come in, ma'am? Yes, sir. Then he will say us that yes, come in, yeah, no, not come. Then what? If he say that yes, come in, that yes, come in is what? Yes, come in is adverb of affirmation or negation. The same word, if we are using you are not able to work. If any person is not able to work, then we can say him that you are not able to do this work. Then note is what? Note is also adverb of affirmation or negation. Now again I am telling you that there is a 50% chance of yes or 50% of no. Okay, so we will study seventh part, adverb of reason. That what is the adverb of reason and how it's work. We will study about adverb of reason now. Then what is adverb of reason? What is the behind work that we are going to study about the adverb of reason? Listen. Adverb of reason is that word where we know the reason behind what for we are doing hard work. If I say that I'm doing hard work for passing exam, then I'm doing hard work for passing exam, because for passing exam I'm doing hard work. Yes. Then what? It means what? For need something, we are doing hard work. For hard work, what? Hard work means we are doing a more practice for take a more marks in exam. So we use their hands. Okay. There is definition, adverb of reason. Tell the reason of an action. It means if there is any sentence, then it tells the reason of an action. That why is he doing any work? What the reason behind doing his work? Then it is what? It is the adverb of reason. For example, I'm taking hence, therefore, those, it, etc. Example, he has left the class, hence I cannot talk. He has left the class, hence I cannot talk. It means before I come, he has left the class, so I cannot talk. Then hence is what? Hence is adverb of reason. Third, she speaks slowly, so I cannot hear. She speaks slowly. She is not speaking fast that I can hear her all the word in proper. She is speaking slowly, so I am not able to listen her all word. So this is what? Adverb of reason. So we will study next part, interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb. What is interrogative adverb? What is the reason behind interrogative adverb? Interrogative, it means it is used to asking question. Interrogative means a question mark. If we will study anywhere the interrogative sentence, interrogative word, it means in anywhere he is asking a question in the sense of interrogative. I have taken an example, how, when, where, it, etc. It means I'm taking word, how are you? It means how is what? How is our question mark sentence? How is our WS word sentence? This is so it is interrogative adverb. Second, how many mango have you? It means I am asking a person that how many mango have you? Then what? How is what? How is interrogative adverb? Third, I'm saying that what is your name? It means I'm asking a question with a person that what is your name? Then what is interrogative adverb? So we will study last part, relative adverb. Now we will study last part, relative adverb. That what is relative adverb? What the work of relative adverb? It modify the adverb following them, and at the same time it join two sentence. It means is modify the word. A word under the two sentence, a one word came and it modify the sentence. It modify the word verb, and it is work to join a two sentence. It's called what? It's called relative adverb. I'm taking an example, when, where, how many, how long, how many. Then I have taken one example, how do not know when he will return. I do not know when he will return. It means what? When is the what? When is a middle word which used to join two sentence. Then so it is what? It is relative adverb. Third, what? Let me tell how many books he has read. I am saying that any person, I have to tell you, let me tell that how many books he have studied. Let me tell, after what I say, how many words. That let me tell is other, book he has studied is other sentence. There is also, this is other sentence and these are other sentence. So under this, it word to join a two sentence is called relative adverb. So thank you guys for today. These are enough. So if you got to learn something in my YouTube channel, then please like, share and subscribe this channel, because your one subscribers and one like motivate me to make another video and work hard on this topic. Thank you.